Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today we're talking about a VW code P0491. This is a secondary air pump, low flow. That's usually found in the California emission models, a little extra emissions. The California standards are a little stricter. And what it does when you first start the car, when it's cold or it reaches a cold, certain predetermined temperature, the air pump located down in the fender, it depends where it is on your model. It sends air into the intake, more air to burn a little, help the car burn a little bit better, a little bit less pollutants when you're starting up, get the car up to operating temperature faster, so less pollutants. All right, now that code usually means that the pump down in the fender well, here's the other side that goes from the intake of the fresh air that plugs into here. This intake is in here. All right, this is usually on the TSI engines, 2008, 2012, could be higher. Other years even higher than that. It's in different locations, so it's a little bit different, but this is for those vehicles, the 2008 to 2012. You have these plastic lines, right? And a lot of times they break. They get brittle, they break from heat and age, and you have to check these lines, all right, from the air pump. The air pump is in the fender underneath, all right, and it pumps air, takes fresh air in, and pumps the air into the engine, and you have to look around here. I always, they can leak anywhere, but I always see them over here. If you see this right here? This one right here, look at that. Look at that hole. That's your air leak. All right? And now you can imagine this air leak can be anywhere. It could be anywhere from here all the way down to the pump. Not on this side usually, but it could be. Because if it's not sucking air in, yes, it could be this side too. So you have to check. You have to check the whole thing. It's good to use a smoke machine, but a lot of people don't have a smoke machine. And you know me, I try to help you guys out with the least amount of tools as possible to get the job done, where applicable. All right, so I found one right here. That's getting ready to rip open. Now we're gonna find more, and basically you're gonna have to replace this. I'll give you a better bird's eye view underneath the car, and you see here's the pump. All right, and the lines. See these lines? So when you have that low flow code, it could be any one of those lines, like I said, even on the bottom. You gotta just check them. A lot of times I really don't see anything down here cracked, but if the car was in an accident and it cracked, that's a possibility. All right? And that's basically it for the low flow code that I've seen on a lot of these models. It's a simple fix. These pipes are cheap. I don't recommend repairing them with tape or anything like that because it's not going to hold. It's not a proper repair. You could do it temporarily. You're not really going to get stuck. It's just that you're going to have a code and you won't pass emissions. All right? All right, guys. So that's Motorcarnut. Please subscribe. Hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to this video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.